Hi, this is Nia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are embarking on an exciting journey through the vibrant city of Miami, where every corner is bursting with adventure and charm. So, grab your sunscreen and sunglasses because we're diving headfirst into the top 8 things to do in Miami. Our first stop is South Point Park, nestled in the heart of South Beach, Miami. Picture perfect vistas of the Atlantic Ocean, Fisher Island, and the dazzling skyline of downtown Miami await you. The name of this restaurant is Smith and Wollensky, nestled within the park, perfect for those craving a more upscale experience. So, indulge in fine dining while soaking in the mesmerizing views of passing cruises. Take a leisurely stroll along the waterfront promenade. Feel the salty breeze on your skin, and let the kids unleash their inner adventures at the playground. Don't forget to snap a selfie on the picturesque South Point Park Pier. My dear friends, if you enjoyed this Miami adventure, hit subscribe for more, especially as I begin my Disney series in the next video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and share to spread the excitement. Your support means everything. Let's keep the adventure going together. Next up, we are cruising down Ocean Drive, where Miami's iconic Art Deco architecture steals the show. As the sun sets, this lively strip transforms into a bustling nightlife hub, with trendy restaurants and clubs lining the streets. Keep your eyes peeled for the famous Versace Mansion and immerse yourself in the glamorous lifestyle of Miami's elite. Now, let's hit up Lincoln Road Mall, a pedestrian paradise in Miami Beach. Dive into a shopping spree at over 200 shops, indulge in delectable dining experiences, and soak up the European charm of this cultural hotspot. With its vibrant atmosphere and dog-friendly vibe, Lincoln Road Mall promises a day of endless fun and exploration. Feeling fancy? Treat yourself to a culinary delight at Espanola Way, where European elegance meets Miami's vibrant energy. Explore the pedestrian-only street, savoring diverse dining options, and soaking in the rich history of this charming neighborhood. With its artistic flair and cultural experiences, Espanola Way is sure to leave you enchanted. But wait, there's more! Hop aboard a boat tour from Bayside Marketplace and embark on a celebrity mansion hunt along Biscayne Bay. Cruise past the luxurious homes of Jennifer Lopez, Pitbull, and more, while soaking in breathtaking views of the Miami skyline. Trust me, this boat tour is an adventure you won't wanna miss. Let's take a moment to unwind at Bayfront Park, Miami's oldest public gathering space. Nestled along the serene shores of Biscayne Bay, this large oasis offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. From free yoga classes to outdoor concerts, there's something for everyone to enjoy amidst the park's scenic beauty. Calling all shopaholics! Bayside Marketplace beckons with its charming open-air shopping center and stunning waterfront views. Explore local and national brands, ride the Ferris wheel, and indulge in mouth-watering dining options along the bay. With its lively atmosphere and endless entertainment, Bayside Marketplace is a shopper's paradise. last but not least, let's marvel at the modern marvel that is the Brickell Avenue Bridge. As one of the Miami's architectural gems, this bridge offers panoramic views of Miami River and skyline. Nearby, Brickell City Center awaits with its luxury shopping, dining, and entertainment options, promising an unforgettable urban adventure. And there you have it, my friends. 8 incredible things to do in Miami are just the tip of the iceberg. If you're craving more details, dive into my Miami playlist for full scoop on all the must-see spots. So, what are you waiting for? Let's keep the adventure going. Miami, you've been a blast. But it's time to say goodbye for now. Don't worry, I'll be back before you know it. Bye bye, Miami, and hello, Disney.